If you're in the home service business niche, if you have a Go High Level account where you sell your Go High Level SaaS plans to home service businesses, then this is absolutely for you. You need this app 110%. Make sure you do not do the mistake of not adding this app on your website, on your landing page, or on your platform. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Pritam. I have been helping my clients across the world create amazing, stunning funnels, landing pages, and AI strategic systems across 12 plus countries, 100 plus clients, and completed over 400 plus custom design projects. I'm the mind behind helping my clients generate millions of dollars over the past few years and have generated hundreds of thousands of dollars for myself as a business. In this video, I'm going to show you why you should have this particular calculator for your home service folks and how this can maximize, help them understand the revenue loss, the leaking funnel system that they have in their business, which you and your Go High Level SaaS plan can help maximize. Ladies and gentlemen, let me quickly show you as to how this works. By the way, let me tell you one thing. Go High Level has recently introduced AI Studio. AI Studio is their AI platform in which you can create landing pages, websites, AI systems, applications, chat systems, everything that you can dream of. But guess what? The AI system is a bit clunky. If you want an HTML coded platform, which is like a funnel landing page, even that is available to you from my end, right? But I'll show you in both ends. For example, this is what I have received by creating a complete calculating system for anybody who has a mixed call recovery system calculator. Let me just show you one thing as to how this particular thing works. So if you are in the home service business, you are familiar about the mixed call taste back protocol system. Now what it does is, when you are a home service owner, you're always on the job, whether you're a plumber, HVAC technician, roofer, cleaning purpose, anything, any business you have, you are losing phone calls, mixed call, and this is inevitable. And you need to show them as to the revenue your automated system could bring them based on this particular calculator. As you can see, this is calculator that I have built, and I'll give it to you for free, absolutely free. If you comment calculator in the comment section, guess what? I also have this particular HTML section, which is basically nothing but a landing page which I created. This is transferable 100%, even though the application is not yet transferable, but this entire landing page is transferable. So I'm going to give it to you for absolutely free. If you sign up through my affiliate link, you're going to get the automated system, the entire calculator, as well as the landing pages, websites, everything for absolutely free. So make sure that you are already signed up through the affiliate link under this particular video. Ladies and gentlemen, let me show you how this entire system works. All right. So as you can see, this is the entire application, not just desktop friendly, this is also mobile friendly. So this is going to work on your mobile, on your desktop, frequently without any kind of hassle. Now, how this works is very simple. This calculates a few parameters, right? So as you can see, this is a premium lead recovery tool built for service business. So I have made sure that the UI UX is top notch because I'm a UI UX guy. I know how to create stunning landing pages, funnels, these kind of sections, SaaS programs, and SaaS funnels and websites. So I know how to create application that will suit to your business and to your customers as well. So this is a premium lead recovery tools. So it says that if you miss 10 calls this week, you have almost lost 6 paying jobs. By the way, let me tell you one thing. This entire thing is customizable. So for example, you are losing 15 jobs. So we have a drag and drop builder here, and you will be able to see that the moment I drag and drop, it dynamically changes the entire text feature or the entire outcome, right? So for example, you are a good agency, you have a good home service business, and you are losing approximate 15 calls a month, right? So you're losing 15 calls a month, and since you're very reputable, you have a conversion rate of almost 70%, right? So think about, you have a conversion rate of 70%, and each job is approximately worth around $1,000, right? So if this is a scenario, think about how much you're losing. So if you have 15 missed calls this week, you may have lost almost 10 and a half paying jobs because we have a conversion rate of 70%, right? So as you can see, this is the impact your mixed call system can create. So the monthly revenue lost is $45,000, which is crazy. Think about how much revenue you could help them bring if they answered their mixed calls and had the same 70% conversion rate with $1,000 average value, right? So job lost per weeks is 10.5, revenue lost per weeks is $10,500, right? And this is the entire system. It's an install a mixed call text back system, book a demo, and watch this video, right? This is the entire thing built on high level, and this is a must to have. If you do not have the system, this is not going to work out. Let me show you again how this looks in the mobile version as well. Again, the mobile preview looks very, very beautiful. I can change it here anytime you want. So if, for example, I want to have around 20 calls and a conversion rate of around 60% and an average job value of around $800, for which I am losing about $41,568, losing around 12 jobs every single week and 9,600 worth of these jobs every single week. That's exactly how the system works. By the way, this is not just the app that I'm building on, I also have this entire landing page which I created with custom HTML code. Let me quickly show you as to this also works absolutely fine on the mobile version here. So just in case you want to get this, it is freely available inside my $10,000 snapshot program. But just in case you want it for absolutely free and you already have a Go High Level account, you can just comment calculator and I'll give it to you for 100% free, no question asked. I'm giving the share link of this particular funnel, import it in your high level account and get this for absolutely free. My name is Pritam. Thank you for watching this particular video. I'm going to bring in hundreds of videos like this. So make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section and I will create those videos for you. Thank you so much for watching the video and I'll see you in the next one.